today we are. We've got all this faffing to do. It's the Midland M30 flagship, except we've got to press P4 to make it change channel. There we go. Oops. So this current flagship radio, there are some internal adjustments. It's now doing 4 watts, it's doing the right deviation, and hopefully Mr. Chippie is out there. No idea where the volume needs to be. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yeah, roger that. I'm already on my way, so I'm just passing Ancaster service station now.
Roger on that. Okay, I've just realised we're on extension speaker, so we'll unplug the extension speaker because we always do these tests on the internal speaker. It's quite a faff to use. Everything's software controlled, so you have to press P4 to. There's the one knob, and it defaults to volume. So P4, it lets you press the channel. P5, it lets you press the do the squelch, and so it goes on. Don't know how you do that when you're in a car. Oh, it's got instant mute on the on and off switch. And it's got up and down on the mic, but up and down. Roger, got you square word at Ancaster Crossroads.
It's another nice sounding set, that, Midland.
So it's nice sounding over.
Yeah, that's a roger.
Excellent, just getting the volume right. I'd initially got it on the external speaker, you see.
Oh, right, okay. Right, that's the top of the hill. We'll go down into Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Now I'm just going to drop squelch a bit. Let's try it at 5.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Roger that. That's 4 watts. The sound like 4 watts. Not 3 watts. The sound like 500 milliwatts.
Good, it's nice to know.
I'll just have to pause for the geese.
I had to stop at on one road today because there were geese crossing with the babies.
Yeah, it's at the usual place where the log is. The logs are.
Roger, got you. Now I just adjusted the squelch and it was still doing its business. I went into transmit and it went into transmit. So at least with this radio you can go into transmit when it's doing other things. If you remember, we did the M5, the remote set, and you couldn't go into transmit if it was still doing its thing on the volume or whatever.
Right, going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Oh, passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
I don't know where it is at Greyleys at the moment, but that's twice I've got past. Something, I don't know what.
No, you just broke off, the squelch came in. You said that's twice I've been to Greyleys and something over.
Yeah, there's some interference that's, okay, my throat, I don't know what it is, but it seems to be a regular occurrence there now.
Roger, well you do have the railway nearby, they could have equipment. Is it when you pass somebody's house? Because there is the odd house there.
No, I should tell you, I've just gone over Rossby level crossing. No, it's exactly at the junction with Grayleys, where there's nothing really about.
Oh, we might have found some top secret hidden Area 54 we don't know about.
Yes. Anyway, that's it. Gone over the level crossing at Rossby. Now heading towards Poynton roundabout, and that's performed very well.
Excellent. So yeah, it's a bit cumbersome to work, but it works all right. Okay, thanks for the test, and I'll catch you back at Tango Towers when you've done your shopping. 10:10. Okay, so yeah, that works great. My goodness, where have I got the volume? Got the volume at 45. I don't know what it goes up to, but it needed a lot more volume on than when I had it on the external speaker. So that's interesting. You probably, I don't know how it's come over on the recording, but we always use the camcorder's own microphone, and they're always recorded the same way, so that you, the viewer, can compare one set with the other. So yeah, cumbersome to work because you've got to go into menus to change the channel. You've got to go into menu to change the squelch. You've just got the one knob. But at least it did let us go into transmit whilst we were still doing something else. So there you are. So we'll just see. He says it sounds great. He says you can tell it's 4 watts, which he will be able to because of his experience. And we'll just see what it sounds like on our Harrier CB HQ base station.
Tango 21 testing the Midland M30 into our Harrier CB HQ base station. Testing at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as always,